Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Rayo. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Nigerian Efo Riro using fish, and this recipe is super easy to make and you don't have to break bank before making this recipe. So stay tuned while we get into the video. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using some frozen spinach, some raw Titus fish, some chili pepper, paprika pepper, fresh tomato, onions, garlic, some palm oil, locust beans, chopped onion, seasoning cubes, salt, crayfish powder, black pepper powder, and some bay leaf. You can check the description box for the full details. So firstly, we are going to start by boiling the fish. All you have to do is to add it to the pot, add some water, then add your seasoning cubes, salt, and bay leaf. That is what you are going to be using to boil the fish. Then you're gonna give it some stirs, but be gentle with it so you don't end up breaking the fish, and cover then leave to cook for 10 minutes. So while that is boiling, we are going to go on and blend the pepper and onions, but don't forget we are not blending the chopped onion. So this is the perfect texture, but that's not it. I'm gonna shave it because I don't want the water in there. I'm gonna separate the water, and this is the tips and the secret to make amazing stew and get the perfect texture. Yeah. So with that being done, we're going to go back to our fish, and right now it's completely done. I'm just gonna give it some stirs, then I'm gonna turn off the heat, then remove it from the broth and leave to cool down. So I've been heating up the palm oil for the past 8 minutes, and what I'm gonna be doing is to add the chopped onion and saute it for about 1 minute until it's transparent. So after sauteing it for a minute, I'm going to be adding the locust beans. Please make sure you wash your locust beans very well before stir frying it so that you won't end up ruining your stew taste. So after stir frying it for another minute, we're going to be adding in the pepper blend mix. Then we're gonna stir it well to combine. Then I'll be adding the rest of the ingredients: the locust beans, crayfish powder, black pepper, seasoning cubes, and salt. Then I'm gonna give it another stir. Then leave to fry on low heat for 15 minutes without covering the pot. So while the stew is frying, we are going to go on and remove all the spike and bones from the fish. And that is it. Let's go back to our stew and see how it is going. Right, it is well fried, and then we are just going to be adding the fish. Stir thoroughly to combine, then leave to fry for another 3 minutes. So while this fish is steaming, I'm gonna go on and shave the frozen spinach. It is so watery and I don't want it watery. So the last but not the least, we are going to add the spinach to the fish sauce. Then we are going to stir it well to combine, then leave to steam for 5 minutes. So there we are. After 5 minutes, it is ready to serve, and this is as gorgeous and delicious as it's looking, and the aroma in my kitchen right now is a top notch. So guys, our fish Efo Riro is ready to serve, and trust me on this is very affordable and it is as delicious as it's looking. It is so yummy. You don't have to break bank before preparing a very delicious good meal in your home. Yeah, and try the recipe and prove me wrong. This is very delicious. It doesn't cost much, and you can serve it with any side dish of your choice: your boiled rice, boiled plantain, swallow, just name it. If this is your first time on my channel, you highly welcome. Kindly subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video if you like what you watch, and please, I hope you watch my future video. Thanks for watching. I love you.